Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mint and coriander chutney. This easy method will help you create a delicious condiment in just a few simple steps. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 1 cup of fresh coriander, 2 to 3 green chilies, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. We will also use the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt to your liking. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get them ready for blending. Start by roughly chopping your 1-inch piece of ginger and the 2 to 3 green chilies. This helps them blend more smoothly. Next, ensure your 1 cup of mint leaves and 1 cup of coriander are thoroughly washed and patted dry. Finally, place all these prepared ingredients into your blender or food processor. It's time to blend our chutney. Secure the lid on your blender and process the mixture until it becomes a smooth, vibrant paste. If the mixture seems too thick, you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon at a time, to achieve your desired consistency. Once blended, taste the chutney and adjust the salt or the juice of 1 lemon as needed to perfect the flavor. Your delicious homemade mint and coriander chutney is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a flavorful accompaniment to your favorite snacks, main courses, or appetizers. If you have any leftover chutney, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. When stored correctly, this fresh chutney will remain delicious for about 5 to 7 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.